in the park. Holy Cooper. Hey, my brother. You got. Let me see. Let me film it real quick.
He's about to smoke a blunt too, so you know what I'm saying. Yes, that works. Thank you, man.
We got Paulie right here.
You know what I think? He likes the idea of having company. He spends a lot of time by himself. She spends a lot of time by herself.
No, she be all day with me. I don't come out my house. Yeah, she.
Okay. Because she's used to, you know how I know? She was walking and I wanted to put something in her field of vision. I took a stick and I put it in front of her. She walked over to it and she checked it out. It wasn't food. So you know what she did? Came straight to my boot and just kind of put her nose against it and stayed there the whole time. So I could tell she's like a dog. Look, see how she's next to me?
Yeah.
She's like a dog, yo. How a dog stand next to you with his head up. Look at how she got her head up. That means that she feels safe. She got her head up like that.
In the park. You already know. You got Kuka and Paulie, both parrots. You know? We're outside. Yep. Beautiful outside, man.
Yo, it's good to see you, man. Here, let me get you back to Earth.
Come this way.
I want to walk away from the creature, man. Can you come this way?
Come on. It's my heart right here, Kuka. I had her for like 14 years. She's a monk parrot. It's my heart. She flies. We're in the park. I can see. Say hi.
Come on. got you.
And we got,
Okay, good morning. How you
we
doing?
got the turtle head. Watch the boot real quick. Let me take a video of it. We got her out here too. You know. Yeah, Paulie. We got Paulie out here.
Yo, that turtle hauling ass. Look.
Yeah.
He set the speed record. Look. He set the speed record. He hauling ass. Get that. He hauling ass.
Oh
bro.
yeah, turtles out, yeah.
He getting his Jesse Owens on, you heard? He getting his Jesse Owens on.
You can see she's active.
That turtle is hauling ass. He was like this, yo. She was like this.